Learn how to register on our career portal. Step-by-step guide. Visit the CSB Bank career site. Go to Career Opportunities, Job Openings. Scroll down and click on the yellow We Are Hiring tab. Click on Apply Now and proceed. Use the Find Jobs and Near Location filters to select the desired role and location. Scroll down and click on the job title. Scroll down and click Apply Now. Enter your email ID and click on Next. Upload your resume and move on to the Details section. Provide your contact information, that is name, email ID, and contact number as per your government ID. Enter your residential address. Enter your complete date of birth. Add your national identifier, that is your PAN details. Select your experience type. If experienced, mention your current CTC. Enter all your work experience details. Check your experience details. If anything to be added or corrected, do the same. Enter all your education qualification details. It should include your 10th, 12th, graduation and post-graduation details, if applicable. Add your known languages. Upload the required supporting documents. Add your LinkedIn profile link or relevant document link, if required. Capture the source through which you found the job. For example, in case of employee referral, mention the referrer's name and employee code. Add your skills. Tick the required checkboxes. Review the provided information by clicking on Show More. E-sign by entering your full name as per your government ID and click Submit. In case of an error, the remark will reflect on the top right side. Click on View Error to make the necessary changes, and then click again on Submit. You will receive a verification code on your mentioned email ID from HR360. Enter the OTP code you have received and click on Verify. You will get a pop-up notification stating, "Thank you for your job application."